We'll guide you through how to change the password on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and I want to go and change the password. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Perhaps you're worried somebody else knows it, or you just want to go and change it every now and then to go and keep it fresh. So first of all, you need to go and unlock it as I did there. Next, what you need to do is you need to go and navigate to your iPhone settings. As you can see here, they are. You can always drag down and search for them. In here, what you then need to do is go and scroll down. What you're looking for is this option, Face ID and passcode. And you can go and tap there, go and enter in the current one. And then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down like so and find the option for change passcode. Tap there. Once again, enter in your current one. And then you can go and enter in a new one. So you can go then type it in here, press options if you want to go and change to a different style. I'm going to go and enter this in now. Then you can press the tick and I'll press use anyway. And you then need to go and verify it. You can press the tick and that's it. We've now successfully verified it and now it's going to go and be changed. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to.